This is BTC Nashville 2024 coverage live. Of course, brought to you by our amazing sponsors who got us here, Dynex. Thank you for the ticket and also the plane ticket. Y'all are amazing. As well as the Bitcoin conference themselves for giving us VIP press passes on such a short freaking notice. Like, it was literally like a few days notice and we got press passes. Here, let's cut through Foundry's booth. So here's Foundry. Here's their new power supplies for Immersion. Also the new control boards that they have and the stands for the control boards. Really freaking cool to see those. And there's actually the unit currently over there, sitting down in the fluid as it sits. So this is actually we showed this on the channel the other day. They have new handles so you can slide these down into the fluid without having to get your hands wet. And it actually keeps the control board up and out of the fluid. So as you can see right there, that level, keeping everything that really matters in fluid while keeping the stuff that if you may have to work on it or do some maintenance on sloppy control boards or anything like that, you won't have to get down and dirty technically. So it's really interesting to see this and the cable extension, so that way they just can come up and less seepage. I don't really know the best way to put it, but I noticed that on like a fog hashing tanks, if you have the cables coming up and just kind of laying over, the fluid will creep up the cable and come down the cable. We've noticed it. So keeping your cables up and elevated straight up actually stops that from happening. So actually it's really interesting how that works, because I really just don't understand. If anybody in chat understands how that works, teach your boy something today. Avalon booth's a little busy, but we are here. We're gonna try kind of show some of this stuff off. Of course, they have the 15 series. They have the 14 now. They have a 15 running right now as we speak, right over there. I actually won this bad boy right there yesterday. So before we leave, I got to come by, pick that bad boy up, and take it home with me. And there's CryptoMykel. What's up, buddy? So we'll pick that up on Saturday before we leave the conference, and we'll take ourselves another Nano home. So now the wife has the pink one, we got the blue one, and well, solo gang. Lottery miners for the win, guys. And then over here is the 1566. See if we can sneak by them in a second. This is actually a hydro unit. It's a hydro box. It's called the Avalon box. Yeah, this is the 1566, as you can see right here from Avalon. And you can even see, guys, like,
it is actually running.
It's running and it's quiet. I'm holding the microphone right in front for y'all, and well, I doubt y'all can even hear it. It's really crazy. They even had it running at Mining Disrupt, and it's relatively silent. And I mean, it's putting out heat, I promise you. It is moving air. It's moving hot air.
Warehousing, anything we have. Flex rate is pretty high.
Yeah, so we're at 198.83, and it's been pretty consistent the entire time. Where your chip temps are right here. So you're looking around 29C on your chip temp. Your control board is sitting around 71. And that is all of the boards currently right there. And well, we're sitting around, what, 3,200 watts?
Sometimes the business is
35, okay, right there. 3,500 watts for almost 200 terahashes. And guys, like, it's so quiet. Like, I'm honestly impressed with this. I'm looking at adding one of these to my fleet of miners. I have other Bitcoin ASICs, but this one's going to take the cake for me, I think, to help cut down the noise in the shed, because already it's pretty quiet as it is, and it's running cool. So I can only imagine how great it's going to do in the future. And they do have these. These ones will be on pre-order, or are on pre-order currently, but you can buy the 1455 currently. And that one is like here to go, ready. And the best thing about Avalon miners is that they actually ship from Malaysia, right?
Yeah, they can do it from Malaysia.
And that actually circumvents tariffs for anyone in the States. If you know, you know. That's probably one of the best things right there. And you can actually get these for pretty cheap. If I'm not mistaken, the 1566 is around 25? 27. That was close. 27 for the 1566 and the 1466.
1466 is much cheaper.
I was like, it's in the thousands, like 1,500, something like that.
Oh yeah,
It was about 1,500 bucks from when I looked last, and that's on the 14. You can get the 14 now, so that's actually pretty great. Love Avalon miners. We'll always continue to support them. Very stable. I mean, y'all can see it right there. Like that bar is clean. Unlike AM miners, sometimes when you go. Yeah. So that's really great, guys. And well, of course, thanks for Canaan, because we're actually going to their VIP event tonight. Thanks to them. So shout out to them for inviting us and getting us there. And then, of course, well, winning a nano. Winning nanos is always the best way to go, guys. Yes, also update your nanos firmware. That is very important.